Hey guys, it's been a while since I did my last video on the truck. I just want to give you guys a quick update. Truck's been running great, but after I did the AGR cleaning, I ran into a slight problem with the coolant and my engine light coming on. This is just a quick video to show you what I did to get all the air out of the system. Let's get into it.
I'm gonna take this bolt loose here, this one over here, this one here, this one here, and also I'm going to remove this one and this one, and that will allow me to remove this bracket so I can get to this bleeding screw here. Now I've got this bracket out the way to remove it from here. Now I can get this bolt out of here loose. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to open up my reservoir, coolant reservoir, and hopefully I should see some coolant flowing out of it. If not, I'm going to start it up. And here it comes. So now I'm getting coolant running out of it. If you guys can see it draining out. So what I'm gonna do is snug it back up and then start it up and then slowly back it off, and I want to see until steady flow of coolant come out of it like it is now. Hopefully there won't be any bubbles or air pocket. I'm trying to get all the air pockets out of it, so hopefully this will get all of it out. When I first took it off, I could hear a lot of bubbles coming up, or suction, so there was quite a bit of air pocket in there. So Let's fire it up. So I've let it run until it warms up and till I see no air bubbles coming from that screw. And so now I'm stugging everything back up and putting everything back together. So hopefully this will help someone after your EGR delete, or you replace your EGR or cooler, and you have air pockets in the system. So that's the way to bleed it. All right.
should make sure everything is all snugged up, and check to make sure you have no coolant leak from your bleeding screw. Don't forget to put your coolant reservoir cap back on. Okay, so this is why you had this off, so it wouldn't build too much pressure while we were bleeding the screw, so it wouldn't build up pressure on it. So don't forget to put your cap back on when you're all finished. All right, hopefully this video could help someone. All right. If you end up liking this video, please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching, guys. See you next time.